Hello students, I am assistant professor in chemistry, General College Hospital, belongs to B.Sc. University Polarization. I will take the class for this B.Sc.Vlsem and physical chemistry 6.2 chapter is EMF. This is my lecture 9. We are studying now the term polarization. What is meant by polarization? When the electrolyte of the solution, electrolysis of the solution of an electrolyte is carried out, the products of electrolysis on reaching the electrodes set up an EMF opposite to the applied EMF. This phenomenon is called polarization. That means during the electrolysis of the solution of an electrolyte which is carried out, the products of the electrolysis which are formed in that case on reaching the electrodes, they will set up an EMF opposite to the applied EMF. That phenomenon can call it as polarization. Or can say the definition in the another way: the phenomenon of production of back EMF brought about by the products of electrolysis is called polarization. Out of these two, any one which is easier for you can write the examination. It is for 1 mark. Here the current strength falls, automatically the strength of the current falls, and finally stops, current becomes 0 together in the cell. Explanation of polarization, how this is taking place. When the electric current is passed between platinum electrodes which are placed in dilute sulfuric acid, then the hydrogen and oxygen gases are liberated at the cathode and anode respectively. That means hydrogen gas is liberated at cathode, oxygen gas is liberated at anode, like this. So first is dissociation of sulfuric acid into H plus HSO4 minus. This is bisulfate ion. Then this bisulfate ion HSO4 minus reacts with water to form sulfuric acid and hydroxide OH minus ion is formed here. Then at cathode is negative electrode, positive ion is moving, so 2H plus 2 electrons. This will take up the 2 electrons to form the hydrogen molecule in the form of gas. At anode, this is the positive electrode, so negative ions are moving, so 2 hydroxyl ions, they will form this half mole of oxygen in the form of gas and water by liberating the 2 electrons. So if now battery is removed and the 2 electrodes are connected with the galvanometer, a small current will be seen to flow between 2 electrodes. Then the direction of the current is exactly opposite to that during the electrolysis. That means reactions take place in this case. At anode, hydrogen dissociates into 2H plus by liberating the 2 electrons. Then these 2 electrons they will react with half mole of oxygen and 2H plus ions at cathode to form the water. By adding these two, you will get the net reaction. Net cell reaction is H2 plus half O2 gives rise to H2O. This is the net cell reaction. It is because of the following reason: during the electrolysis, platinum electrodes gets covered with the bubbles of H2 and O2, and so these electrodes become gas electrodes, and both will form the electrochemical cell. So this electrochemical cell has some fixed value of EMF. Then the direction of this EMF is opposite to the current from battery. This phenomenon of back EMF due to the products of electrolysis is known as polarization. So this is about the expression for polarization. Now we have to study the minimization of polarization. How to minimize the polarization? First one, if the electrolyte is constantly stirred, constantly mixed, the concentration change near to electrode can be avoided. And if there is no increase in the concentration near to electrode, then polarization does not take place. Second one, electrodes can be brushed off to remove the deposited gases like H2 and O2, so they do not form the gas electrode, therefore avoiding polarization. This is second one. Third is deposition of gases on the surface of electrodes is minimized by applying black platinum chloride PtCl4 on the surface of platinum electrodes, and such electrodes are known as platinized platinum electrodes. We have to apply the black platinum chloride on the surface of the platinum, that avoids the deposition of gases. Fourth one, last one, polarization is eliminated by adding oxidizing agents like nitric acid minus dioxide MnO2. So here formed H2 is oxidized to water. Nitric acid will convert this hydrogen into water, or MnO2 will convert this hydrogen into water. So these are called opposite word depolarizer. By using these four methods, we can minimize the polarization. The previous term polarization definition was asked in the examination for 1 mark. And the right amount on polarization, if the question is like that, it carries 4 marks. Similarly, definition of over voltage and hydrogen over voltage, they were asked in the examination for 1 mark. And the explanation for this hydrogen over voltage, there is right amount on over voltage, hydrogen over voltage in the examination, it carries 4 marks. So first is over voltage definition. The difference between the potential of the electrode when gas evolution is actually observed and the theoretical reversible potential for the same evolution is called over voltage. So it is determined by using the Calomel electrodes. The next term is hydrogen over voltage definition for 1 mark. The difference between the potential of the electrode at which hydrogen gas H2 gas is actually evolved and the potential of the reversible hydrogen electrode is called hydrogen over voltage. Hydrogen over voltage depends on two factors. The first factor is current density, second is chemical nature of the electrodes. In the discharge of H plus ions at the cathode, following steps are involved. The first one, diffusion of H plus or H3O plus hydrogen ions to the electrode. Second step, transfer of these diffused ions to electrode surface. Third is neutralization of charge on the H plus ions by electron to form hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is formed by combining this H plus with the E minus. Fourth one, adsorption, it is not absorption, adsorption of H atoms on the electrode surface. Fifth one, combination of H atoms to form hydrogen molecules. Lastly, sixth one, evolution of hydrogen molecules in the form of gas bubbles. So these are 6 steps for the development of hydrogen over voltage. Next is variation of hydrogen over voltage with current density is given by Tafel, and the equation is known as Tafel's equation. Tafel's equation is eta is equal to A plus B log I. If you plot the graph of log I along the x-axis against eta along the y-axis, then we will get the straight line which cuts this x-axis at some point. So from that we can get the straight line slope also. Slope is equal to AB by BC is equal to B according to this equation, because this is y, eta term is y, this log I term is x, and this term m, slope is B. So this slope is equal to B here, and this A is nothing but the intercept. So this is the intercept from this to this. This is nothing but A. So I had written this thing. Eta is called over voltage. B, constant for all the elements used as electrodes. Then A is constant, varies from electrode to electrode. And some values are given here. Electrode and the hydrogen over voltage in terms of volts is platinum is platinum, and also palladium having the hydrogen over voltage 0.00. Very minimum value 0.00 means no value for this hydrogen over voltage. For gold it is 0.02 and for cadmium it is 0.48. So I think you followed this one. Thank you.